try to replace it with city lights. I'll never escape it. I need the hype. Strung out on a feeling. My hands are tied.
Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. Today I am going to be doing a full wash day routine using all DevaCurl products. I reached out to them and, oh, I got a tangle, hang on. Okay. I reached out to them and they were nice enough to send me some products to try and give my honest opinion about, and we gotta get these head scratches in. Ooh! But yeah, super excited. The redder is better. Atomizer spray bottle, love it. It's small and it's very easy to maneuver around my hair. Right now I'm just getting it moistened, and then I'm gonna finger rake through it to detangle a little bit. I'm using the Heaven and Hair mask, and I'm just gonna work that through my hair. I don't know what it is about DevaCurl's products, but they just smell so good. This smells like a light, clean, fruity scent, and it's very silky. If I had to describe the texture, it's silky. It's not really heavy either. It's very moisturizing to my hair, and I used a little over half of it already. I wanted to do a very detailed product review on all of these products, so I got these about a month or so ago, and I am just going to work this through my hair after I finger detangled. And with any quality product, I've noticed that, like, if it has a lot of moisturizing properties, it does this to my hair. It like stiffens it out. It's thick enough to create a clumped curl, and I know that my hair is getting very moisturized. So you see me here like smiling and doing it over and over. Just sounds cool too, but yeah. So I let that sit for about 10 minutes and I washed my hair straight out of the shower, obviously, and we're going in with the DevaCurl Original Low-Poo shampoo. Stuff is pretty slimy and it has a lot of slip. This is one of the very few shampoos that I can use that I can also detangle at the same time with, even if I didn't like pre-poo my hair or anything like that.
Just let me go.
And next, of course, I'm going to follow this up with DevaCurl's One Condition, which smells really good. It's pretty thick. It smells amazing. But this really works well with my hair, and it has a lot of slip. And I'm working this mostly from my ends to my roots, and I'm trying to focus mainly on distributing it evenly throughout my hairs, and it just melts my curls together. They just clump, and it's very soft and moisturizing. And like I mentioned, the slip, it makes it really easy for me to find single strand knots, which I'm picking at right now, and I'm gonna show you what I do with these. We just snip, and it's gone. And for those of you who ask what single strands are, I actually do have friends that have no idea what they are.
Must be nice.
It's when your hair ties itself in a knot and you can't get it out, and y'all think I'm crazy, and I'm gonna show you right now. Yep, you see that? That's a knot. Yep, twice. Yeah, look at that thing. So I'll periodically do that once I find them, because you can't like sit there and untie them. So I just try to snip it as close to the distal part of the strand as possible, and to maintain length pretty much, and to maintain health of my hair. And this DevaCurl Super Stretch stuff, never tried it before. Oh my gosh, I don't even know. People say that it doesn't stretch your curls. For me, it did not do that. I feel like people were assuming that it was just going to do it automatically, and like I can stretch my hair with this and it stays. It's a thicker, like putty almost, and I'm actually able to stretch my hair, and the product keeps the form of the stretch and it does not cause frizziness or fraying of my curls, so it holds it pretty well.
Why can't you just let me go?
I'll just work this through like a twist out pretty much, and it's very thick and it really makes my hair shiny. It is not drying whatsoever, and like just look at that. It looks like conditioner kind of. And then if you've watched my previous videos, I'm not going to go over this too much, but I just kind of shingle and layer my hair from back to the front, and then I make sure I get my front edges. And I just work that through, pulling it and creating a little bit of friction to kind of help my hair absorb the product. And then I will kind of fling it back and forth like a crazy person and try and separate my curls a little bit more. I've noticed that this helps with, if any curls are frizzy, it'll straight it back into place. And we're going to dry our hair. I'm using the DevaCurl Diva Fuser, and I've used it before. It works very well with my hair. It reduces frizz. It doesn't just randomly blow your hair around. And now, once my hair is dry, any frizzy strands or clumps of curls, I will feel the strand, and typically there's a single strand knot at the end that's causing a break in my curl pattern, and I will snip that off and trim it, and then they usually fall back into place. But yep, this is my product review. Once again, thank you DevaCurl for sending me your product and letting me give my honest opinion about it. I would recommend all these products. They are a little more expensive. They're not super expensive, but they're also good for your hair. And in life, there's positives and negatives to everything. You gotta pay a little more for a little better quality. And if not, you know, quantity over quality, if that's your route, go ahead. But I do recommend these, and in the past I have purchased their products with my own money, and I would gladly do it again, but right now I'm giving them a detailed product review from what they've sent me. So huge shout out to DevaCurl. Again, thank you so much for sending me your product to try. I loved it, and I will see you guys in the next video.
Why can't you just let me go? Locked up.